Mama-san, do you have the right person that I'm looking for?
Surely, no problem. iMatch, what you want, what also you can get. So, let me introduce you, Candidate 1. Candidate 1! Hi, this is Miss Sexy.
This is not what I want.
Huh? Not your type, ah? Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, we proceed with Candidate 2. Candidate 2! Hi, this is Mr. Handsome.
This is definitely not my type.
Huh? Not your type, ah? But we have one more left only, oh. And it's aqua, oh. You sure you want, ah?
Never mind, just bring it on.
Okay, candidate number 3. Come, come, come. Yeah, this is aqua.
This is what I want.
iMatch, we will try to cater for all your requests regardless how it is. Believe in us.